Welcome to Support Videos for Workload Automation video series. In this video, I'll show you how to expand the size of the Control-D active missions file using ICE. The first thing to note is this facility is only available in version 900 and above. What I'll demonstrate is the actions you will need to perform when the Control-D active missions file becomes full and you need to expand its size. Note that these actions need to be performed when the Control-D products are down and inactive. So this include Control-D started tasks, IOA gate if you're running Control-D web access server, and also access to the Control-D online environments such as ISPF or the online monitors. Once you're ready to begin this process, you will need to invoke ICE in the environment that we want to expand the active missions file. And this is what we can see here in this first screen. From here, we will select the customization option. And from the next screen, ensure that the product is set to CTD and then select the product customization option. From the resultant screen, select option 7, Expanding Control-D AMF. From here, we will now see that there are 4 options. The first option points to a documentation member detailing what actions need to be taken to stop Control-D activity. In the second option, we can select the new size of the active missions file. The third option will build the JCL to expand the active missions file. And the fourth option will point to a member detailing what actions need to be taken to start activity again afterwards. So now let's look at these options step by step. So first selecting option 1, which will point to a member detailing the process we're about to perform and reminding you to make sure that all the Control-D components are inactive. So now we can move on to option 2, where we specify the new active mission file size parameters. The first thing this step will perform is to make sure the active missions file is not in use. If it is in use anywhere, then the first screen you will see will show a list of tasks that have the file allocated. And this is an example of the screen you can see at the moment. Currently, this screen shows that the active missions file is allocated by the Control-D monitor and the Control-D print monitor. So we will need to shut down these tasks before continuing. So I will now switch to SDSF and stop the tasks. Now we have stopped the tasks, we can switch back to ICE. By hitting the Enter key, we can check to make sure the active missions file is still not allocated. If the previous screen is not shown again upon hitting Enter, then the active missions file is now free and we continue to the next stage, which is to allow you to specify a new size for the active missions file. In this example, we will increase the active missions file from 4,000 blocks to 5,000 blocks. So all we need to do is to enter the new required value and to press Enter. Then press the PF3 key to exit this option. This will then propagate the new values for the active missions file to all the relevant install files. So now we can move on to the next option 3, which is to build the JCL to expand the active missions file. Once the JCL is created, all we need to do is to submit the job. Once we submit the job, we need to make sure that the job has ended okay. So now we can switch back to SDSF and check the resultant job has ended okay. and that the return codes in the job are all 0. Having checked the job, we can now switch back to ICE to complete the process. From the JCL screen, just press PF3 to save the JCL. We can now select option 4, which is a reminder to start the monitors that you previously stopped before starting this process. That concludes this Control-M Solutions video. Please see our knowledge base and YouTube video channel for more videos like this.